Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So today I have another new product I'd like to show you guys. It's actually going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing on this new product, because as you can see, it's another KATO model. So I'll show you guys what it is. So there it is right here. It is another Superliner in the Phase 5 scheme. This is the dining car. I was able to find one off eBay, and then the seller gave me a discounted price, so I decided to accept it and I bought it. So I just bought only one Superliner, because the reason why I got the dining car is because everywhere I looked online, like Lombard, Hobbies, or White Rose, they're all sold out. The dining car is probably sold out the most. So, but I was lucky to find one on eBay, so here it is. So I picked one up, so I'll unbox it in front of you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like. It's just basically just slide it off, and basically what it contains is just basically like a bubble wrap covering, and then this is just basically like like a manual of some such, such as couplers, if you ever want to install like these trip pens and such, but I don't feel like installing those and all that, because they have the instructions in English and also in Japanese, because KATO is a Japanese manufacturer, because these model trains were built in Japan, so made in Japan, or I should say. So just that. And now moving on, I'll show you what the car looks like. There it is. That's what the Superliner looks like. That's the dining car. Looks very nice. So, anyways, I'll get it out of the box. Okay, and okay. Sorry, I'm just gonna get out like this and that, and there it is. There it is. It looks very nice. Oh, sorry, let me re-rail this back on the tracks. It's got lots of molded details and such. Nice. As you can see, this is actually a really cool car. I mean, because I know the reason why there's no windows underneath is because I'm pretty sure the bottom level is the kitchen, which is where all the cooks basically make the food for the passengers who eat on the top, and then they basically cook, and then they serve the passengers their meals, whether it's the breakfast, lunch, or dinners, or even desserts and such. So there's that, and you can see, you can look inside, they even got some really nice interior for the seats and the tables inside as well. It's very nice. And yes, the one I have is non-lit, so that's why I got for a cheaper price. And then here's the KATO coupler. It looks very nicely done. And there's the connection. And I'm pretty sure these marker lights do not light up. There's that. And here's the cool thing. If you look carefully, the bearing caps do rotate. So I'll show you guys. So there's that. And here's the other side. So there it is. Looks really nice. Very nice. So, wow, I gotta say, this is actually a very stunning rolling stock. That KATO has done a really nice job on this. Even though the MSRP is like $105, but I got it for about $60 on this. And then also had to pay shipping and all that such. So final price is like $80. So I gotta say, very good deal on these KATO Superliners, because knowing the fact that sometimes highly detailed passenger cars can be quite expensive, but it is what it is. But anyways, I'm really glad with this, because now I'm almost done making the Southwest Jeep, because now I'll bring my other Superliner that I recently got at the model train store, which is this one right here. So we'll do a little comparison. So I'll just couple it right here. So here, this is the coach baggage I had. So you can see they look really nice together. So yeah, so that means I just need maybe 4 more Superliners from KATO, and then after that, the Southwest Cheap will be completed, and I'll have this running in my future operating sessions, possibly maybe in late spring or something in the summer, hopefully, depending on when I plan to get more of these, because I'm trying to get some of these. Hopefully I might try and finish this before maybe June or so. So yeah, so anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, a little bit of an overview of the KATO Superliners, especially the dining car. So, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day, everybody.